Here are the Simari Winter Essentials gloves. Ooh, now those look nice just by the fingertips. Let's get those out of there. They feel really silky smooth too. I like that. Oh yeah, these are nice and silky, nice and soft gloves right here. Now I can tell right away, these aren't gonna be for the coldest days of winter, probably better for springs and fall temperatures like that. But you can see they go on really easily. There's one glove right there. Let's see how easy I can get on the second one too. That one slides right in, and the insides feel nice and soft too. But out here, I feel like I have tons of grip, especially between these two fingers right here. These ones are a little more slippery, but these ones right here, super amount of grip, and that's because they have these parts on here that you can use to touch screens with. So both your thumbs and your fingers right there are going to be able to do that. You have grips on the hand right here, grips on the fingers too, but they just don't grip quite as well as these do together. These just have a certain stickiness to them right there, but nice and soft all the way around. They feel really silky smooth. They feel nice and tight and warm too. I can feel myself heating up just like this already. Let me show you the insides of these as well, just so you can get a look at them. You can see they have that nice fleece material on them right there. Really nice and comfortable. So far, really liking these gloves. Let's try them out on my phone. So here's my phone right here, iPhone 13 mini. I can swipe up on it. You can see that works. This works just fine. Okay, how about the thumb? Yep, that feels natural too. What about this thumb? Yep, that one feels natural as well. Nice and good. What about this finger? Yep, there you go. They all work and they're all nice and responsive. Let's see how pinpointing they can be too. So let me pick out an app here. Block Blast, got it. Okay, did that. How about Among Us? Got it, nailed it. How about YouTube? Got it, nailed it. How about camera? There we go, nailed it. Okay, can we zoom with camera? Let's see if we can do that. Yeah, we can zoom in and out as well, so I have nice control over this, as you can see. So even if I'm using two fingers, it still works really well. So these gloves say what they're gonna do. They feel nice and warm, they're soft, they're also very comfortable. I like these too. If you're walking at night, it gives you a little bit of visibility. Overall, really solid gloves.